Hey my babies, it's your girl Christina back with another Curlbox unboxing video. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you the Curls Unleashed ORS line. Now let's get into it. Okay, so this is the Curlbox October 2019 Freedom Box. This is the multi-textured hair is Freedom Box. It's the ability to show off your natural glory with no inhibitions. We're helping you to let your curls shine even more this month with a batch of ORS Curls Unleashed products. Take notes on how to set your inner stylist free. Okay, now let's talk about this packaging. Oh my god, it is so beautiful. I love the play on showing us different beautiful natural hair women and the beauty of showing off that beautiful natural hair, baby. Okay, so this pamphlet that you're looking at right now is showing you a bunch of the different products that the Curls Unleashed line has. It shows you a brief description of what this product can do, what it's perfect for, and even what you can pair these products with. How amazing is that? This also introduces you to the Curls Unleashed Color Blast Temporary Hair Makeup Wax. They have so many different colors. They have Bodacious Blue, Bombshell, Dragon Fruit, Golden Bars, Gray Galaxy, Peach Tree, Gold Leaf, Mystic, Sangria, Poison Ivy, and Violet. So the first thing that I'm looking at in my curl box is this cute pair of just plain pink gloves, and this is what you'll use to put the hair paint wax on your hair. Now, how considerate of Curlbox is to provide you with some gloves, and these are optional. You can use it to apply the wax or not, it's up to you. So the temporary hair makeup wax color that I received is going to be Dragon Fruit. Oh my god, this color is so beautiful. I cannot wait to put this on my hair. I cannot tell you how excited I am to use this product. This wax is said to mold and sculpt textured hair to create a show-stopping style with stunning color, elongates and defines curls, no scalp irritation, quick and easy application, washes out in one wash. It has moisturizing beeswax and nourishing castor oil, and it does not cause any damage to your hair, usually associated with color change. Next, we have the Curly Coil Rich Style Cream. This is a perfect blend of shea butter and honey. This product adds curls and definition to your hair, and it also elongates your curls. This product is perfect for drier curls, moisturization, and hold. And it's also good to pair this with the texture boosting curl jelly. The style that you can get the best results with this product will be for twist outs, 2-strand twists, because it'll leave your hair looking shiny, healthy, defined, with a weightless finish when dried. Next up, we have the texture boosting curl jelly. This has a blend of moisturizing aloe vera and honey, and it defines and elongates your curls without the crunch. This product provides hold and smooths flyaways for a chic pony or up style. And lastly, this is perfect for hair that's prone to shrinkage, for elongation without crunch or stiffness. Okay, next we have the Curly Coil HD Gel Soufflé. This is the volumizing gel with conditioning coconut and nourishing shea butter. This will define, elongate, and straighten your curls. This product is perfect for very tight curl patterns with a lot of shrinkage. It elongates and shapes curl patterns without weighing it down. Okay, so this is the Does It All Smoothie Styler. It intensely moisturizes your hair with nourishing coconut oil and avocado to tame and shape unruly curls. This product keeps strands moisturized, helps style hold its shade, and leaves hair looking shiny, healthy, and defined. And baby, Curlbox is not playing this month with these products. Do you hear me? Baby, do you see this container is full to the tippy top? Okay, product. Last but not least, we have the Leave-In Condition and Style Cream. This is a blend of antioxidant rich cocoa and ultra nourishing shea butter that gives your curls the protection and intense hydration that it needs. This is definitely needed for those thirsty curls that need that extra moisture, okay? Thank you, my babies, for watching. Now, y'all know I was going to be back with another Curlbox unboxing video. Now, this line, I am so excited to try these products. And I definitely can't wait to use the hair paint wax. So, definitely stay tuned for a product review on these products to see how they work well on my hair. Now, if you hit that subscribe button on the way in, thank you, my baby. But if not, make sure you hit that subscribe button on the way out. And make sure you turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any new videos from me. Until next time, my loves, stay tuned.